everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can clean Legos off your table. So you have a pile of Legos on your table and you want to clean them up, but you don't want to use your hands to. What can you use instead? You can use a Lego clean scraper like this. For the Lego clean scraper, the key element is to have these two ends sticking out like that. Once you make the Lego clean scraper, you want to push the Legos forward. Make sure you have something to catch the Legos. And then basically push them forward and they will fall right in. And then just keep doing that. Hi everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to Brick Advice, the channel that helps you unleash your Lego building skills. You just saw that I built a Lego clean scraper vehicle to show you how to clean Legos off your table. When you do that, you'll go from having a table full of Lego pieces all scattered everywhere to a clean table where the Legos are not scattered everywhere and nice and clean. Please subscribe. The subscribe button is below this video. And also don't forget to like this video. And I'll see you next time.